transport a trailer, and he's going to transport it to this location in Modesto. So what he did is he just dropped the Kaufman, of course put a lock on it. Now we're going to go pick up the trailer and bring it back. And this is right off on the side of the road, so it's not bothering anyone. It was a little bit of a challenge to lower it, only because, as you can tell, the ground is not level. So he had to use his blocks, his RV blocks, and you can get those on Amazon or at Walmart or any RV trailer parts store.
It wouldn't disconnect because that fifth wheel has to be level. So I had to put a block on that to make it even. So I put the RV blocks on that side.
And since the vehicle that he delivered was in Modesto, maybe 2-3 miles from here, it was just easier for him to drop the trailer here instead of going back to the yard and coming back. This pig doesn't look real, but it definitely is. Look at that. He's a big guy.
I bet you can find a lot of classic cars out here. Maybe 1969 Camaro, 67 Shelby, 69 Corvette.
Or a Saturn.
Remember when those first came out? Get a different pin.
Is this a pretty standard hitch?
It's the best. You don't know what kind of hitch this is?
No, but you're gonna explain.
Okay, you know what this is?
No.
So this is a hitch. You could, if you're using it every day for like the F-150 for smaller trucks, this is a hitch to use. Because what happened, it puts all the load back on the trailer if you hook up the stabilizers. What a stabilizer is, it's a bar that connects right here. I'm missing that little thing right here. And the bar goes right on the chassis of the trailer. And you could adjust how much weight you want on the truck or the trailer. That's what that is over here. Right there.
Oh, but this trailer doesn't have it?
Normally they have it like right in here. But this one doesn't have it.
So is the ball pretty universal?
Yeah. It's then you got to get a bar to bind it.
No, but what I'm saying is the ball on this hitch is pretty universal. Most trailers are the same size as this here.
So, yeah, this is 2 5/8.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that's the 2 5/8, and then you got the 2-inch. The 2-inch is it's a little smaller. We're gonna compare that.
And he carries both of them with him.
See?
Mm-hmm.
See the difference?
Yeah.
I'm supposed to have the little round things right here. I have the stabilizers at home. So if we ever get a toy hauler, well, that'll be the. So I made this a couple years ago. Like that might be too short. Let's see. This is like an extension for that over there. Yeah, I could already tell it's too short. See? Back up. So if you guys do this every day, always carry different size pins. Stacy! Okay. What the heck? Oh, I got this all jacked up. Put this here because I don't want to lose it. But it does. Well, happy Easter, guys. Hope you guys having a, what is, Good Friday today?
Yes, today.
Yeah.
So when they design trailers, they when they design these trailers, they have the cord connected to the truck immediately, but his cord is way up here, so that's why he created this extension.
Well, I made this for just for the fifth wheel. Normally they have it back here.
Mm-hmm. So do bumper pulls have a breakaway cable?
Yeah, I was looking for it right now.
Oh, were you really?
All trailers have a breakaway.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah.
You're all good.
All right, thank you, buddy.
Yep.
All right, we're good. So let's do one last inspection. We're out of here. I don't know where that breakaway cable is.
What about that red
It's
one?
right here. So, yeah, it's right here. Yeah.
And a breakaway cable is for if he gets disconnected, the truck and trailer, it would automatically put the brakes on the trailer
You gotta
and
make
stop.
sure. You gotta make sure this is nice and secure. Okay, we're good. Quickly do a walkthrough.
Now when he does a walkthrough on trailers, he makes sure all the cabinets are
You got my
secure.
lights on? My lights are on? Yeah.
Yeah, they're on. He makes sure all the cabinets are secure, and then if he notices any dents or...
Come here. I gotta make sure the landing gear is all the way up. Put the camera down here. Always check your axles if they're bent, any wires that are supposed to be connected or disconnected. So this is part of the pre-trip whenever you do this. All the lug nuts, your slider in. Okay, follow me. You in here, make sure nothing's gonna get damaged, move around. Awnings are very important. Make sure it's tight, locked up. Tires. And hey, see if you can see anything that's gonna
No,
damage anything.
everything is stored away.
Nice and secure.
Yes, everything is.
Windows, okay. Step is locked in, window, awning.
And then I will note any scratches or dents, which I
Check
didn't see
down
any.
here, still doing the inspection. Important. Back up. The last thing you want to do, your vents. Make sure they're not going to fly away or something up there. Because we had that happen, like that one. See how that one's opened?
Mm-hmm.
So keep that in mind. Let's get going. We're hooked up. Almost. Okay. Once you do a pre-trip, the last thing you want to do, check your brake controller, your brakes. Jason, when do I get a raise? So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna back off the brake controller. The brakes on the trailer, I don't want it to lock up. So you could test them like this with your foot, or you could test them like this. Right now I was maxed out at 10. I'm gonna bring it down, test the brakes again with my foot, not over here. See? So I'm gonna put them at the 6.0, a little more than the halfway, or I can put it at 5.0. That's good right there. The other day when I was transporting a trailer to Sacramento, the brakes, I don't know why, they were really touchy, so I had to really back it off. I was at 1.0 and it was just, you know, pulling me back.
Pulled over because one of the compartments was open. A lot of ants. He backed it up once, and I believe they want it right there. The pull-out is on this side, and then the door is on the other side.
Go in the back of the car, run over there, give me those, there's a blue bag on the trunk. Come get it. A blue bag on the trunk. Get your keys.
Check out those soldier ants right there, Alicia. Right here, like, ay. Oh, shit.
But you got some already?
No, but when they bite, they bite.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Hombre. I gotta make sure. You wearing shorts?
These guys are, yeah.
Damn. Alright, I gotta be careful with soldiers' ants. Alicia, can you disconnect? My homemade whiteboard. They show you how to do this? How old are you, bro?
14.
You're 14?
Yeah.
What do you want, when you grow up, what do you want to do? You look like you're going to be a CHP.
That's what I actually wanted to do.
CHP, man.
Okay, that's right there.
Yeah, please.
Under here, right? This.
So, we're done. It's Good Friday. And we have the best shrimp cocktail in Modesto right here. It's called Sinaloa. That's the lunch wagon. I'll tell you what. Wow. And this is the tostada, what they call masaclan. It's the best. I'm gonna try it. I think that one's mine.
No, I have mango. That one's yours.
Okay. Oh yeah. Taste it.
So good. It's shrimp, jicama, cucumber, avocado, and mango. And mango. So good, so good.
Add a little bit of salsa. I didn't know we beer.
He didn't realize that was beer down there, so I'm the one that's been drinking it, and he's eating oh, there we go. There's some more. And this is shrimp ceviche. Basically, it's shredded shrimp with vegetables. But this one's amazing. It has a mango.